Hello and welcome to my channel Before Hustle, and in this video I'm sharing how much I earned selling low content book on Amazon KDP in the month of February 2022. So during the month of February I earned $112 in total. As you can see, I have 285 books, and that's not how many books alive I have. I deleted some in the past. So I just want to compare this month to January. So the previous month I made $202. So we are talking about $100 less, and that's because my bestseller book had removed because of a third-party claim. That's quite sad, but I still have my account and I will be more careful next time. So let's see how much I made in all my account. So my first book was published in August 1, 2021, and I didn't see any sale until September 9, 2021. And before this, I was feeling very discouraged, and it felt very amazing just to have one of my books sold. So in total, I made $968, and that's not all profit, because I do some ads. As you can see, I spent over $105 and I make $452. So thank you for watching, and I just wanna to say, if you've yet make a sale, keep going. If you are making sales, keep going. It takes time and I am still learning. So if you like to follow this journey, hit the subscribe button and see you in the next one.